Hello everyone, welcome to Gruhinis World. With summer coming up, everyone would be looking for some refreshing cold drinks. And if we look at some healthy options, Basundi or Badam Pista milk is one of the most preferred cooling refreshments in summer. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can make quick Basundi at home. So let's get started. Friends, I'm sure you would definitely try this recipe and get a cooling refreshment in this hot summer. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also, if you try this recipe, please share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.